Activity 2.
Listen to the following.
Play. A Key to Heaven. Scene 1. King's Court. Tenali Raman. Courtier 1 and Courtier 2 are waiting for the king. There is a sound of trumpets and drums. The king walks in and all the courtiers stand up. Tenali Raman and
Courtiers say,
"Good morning, Your Majesty." The king says, "Good morning. Where are my ministers today?" "I will discuss the new road project with them." Courtier 2 says, "Your Majesty, a great sadhu is in our kingdom these days." The ministers are at that sadhu's camp. The king says, "A sadhu? A great sadhu? Who is this sadhu? I don't know anything about him." "Do you know something, Raman?" Raman says, "Your Majesty, I heard about this sadhu. He comes from the Himalayas. He can produce coins, holy ash, and fruits from the air." Courtier 1 says, "And there is a long queue of people in front of his tent every day. They offer him gold coins, clothes, animals, grains, vegetables, and dry fruits." Courtier 2 says, "He can cure any illness by puja. But you need to pay him a big sum for that." The king says, "Interesting. I want to know more about this sadhu. But you can go now. I will discuss about this sadhu with Raman only." The courtiers leave. The king says, "Raman, what do you think? Is he a real sadhu?" Good sadhus never charge money for their service. We need to keep watch on this sadhu." Raman says, "Yes, Your Majesty. I too feel something is wrong." The king says, "Raman, go to his camp and find out more about this sadhu." Raman says, "Certainly, sir." Scene 2. The village. A sadhu with a long beard and saffron kurta is sitting on a platform under a tree. His eyes are closed. Some people are waiting for him to open his eyes and bless them. Tenali Raman enters and stands among the people. Villager 1 says, "Silence! Look there! The great saint is opening his divine eyes." Everyone bows to the sadhu. Villager 2 says, placing a big bag in front of the sadhu, "Your Holiness, please accept this sack of rice. Advise me, my lord, how I can become rich." The sadhu makes a sign to his assistant. The assistant takes away the sack. Sadhu says to the villager, "My dear child, I'm pleased with your gift. Now, don't worry. I will definitely make you rich. We need to perform a puja at your house." Villager 2 says, "Thank you, Your Holiness. I'm so lucky. Please tell me what I need to do." Sadhu says, "Dear child, now I need only 2 gold coins for the puja." Villager 2 says, "It's all right. I will give you 2 gold coins." Sadhu says, "बच्चा तेरा कल्याण होगा. लक्षाधिपति भव." The villager takes out 2 gold coins and gives them to the sadhu. Raman is watching this carefully. The sadhu puts the coins into his pocket and blesses the villager. Raman pushes the crowd aside and rushes to the sadhu. He falls at his feet. Raman says, "Your Holiness, you are the greatest saint in the world. Please bless me." Sadhu says, "Get up, my child. Tell me your problem." Raman says, "My lord, I have everything in my life. I have a big house, a lot of money, and a happy family. But do something so that I can go to heaven after my death." Sadhu says, "It's very easy for me. Come nearer." Raman goes very near the sadhu. Suddenly, he plucks out a hair from the sadhu's beard. Sadhu says, "Ah! Ouch!" He holds the hair up proudly and addresses the crowd. Raman says, "I'm the luckiest man in the world. I have the magical hair. This hair will take us directly to heaven. He is a very, very holy man. Every hair of his beard is a free ticket to heaven." Villager 2 says, "I also want to go to heaven rather than become rich in this world. Your Holiness, allow me to pluck a hair." The sadhu protests a lot, but the villager plucks a hair. He again makes a cry of pain. Villager 3 says, "One for me too." People crowd around the sadhu and scream loudly. Raman says, "My lord, please do not say no to your followers. Give them a key to heaven." The sadhu tries to escape. He falls down. People run after him. The fake sadhu runs for his life. People chase him. Raman says, "So, that is the truth about this sadhu. He only wanted your money and gifts. We can be rich by working hard. We need not give our earnings to sadhus like this. Villager 2 says, "Oh, my 2 gold coins." Raman says, "Don't worry. The king's men will arrest him. Everyone will get his money back." Raman goes back to the court.